the animal kingdom, a remarkable array of living, breathing, natural wonders. Majestic, compelling, ingenious, and extraordinary. Fascinating, physical, visceral, and ferocious. Discover their past, present, and future. Just stunning. Just glorious. Just amazing. Just animals.
In nature, survival is never simple. It is always earned. Every journey carries risk, but stopping is not an option. Every ending quietly becomes a new beginning. Let's dive into one of nature's greatest wonders, the Great Migration, journey of birds across continents. Every year, millions of birds take to the skies, not for days, not for weeks, but for journeys that span entire continents. They cross oceans, deserts, storms, with no maps, no GPS, just instinct. This is the Great Migration, one of nature's most incredible survival stories. Bird migration is a seasonal movement of birds from one region to another, usually to escape harsh weather and find food and safe breeding grounds. But this journey isn't easy. It's a test of endurance, intelligence, and survival. So, why do birds migrate? The answer is simple: survival. When winter arrives, food becomes scarce. Insects disappear, water freezes. So birds move to warmer regions, where food is abundant. And when seasons change again, they return, often to the exact same place they were born. Migration begins with a signal. Changes in daylight temperature and even Earth's magnetic field trigger birds to prepare for the journey. They eat more, store fat, and get ready for one of the longest flights of their lives. Some birds travel thousands of kilometers. Take the Arctic Tern. This small bird travels from the Arctic to Antarctica and back again every year. That's over 70,000 kilometers, the longest migration of any animal on Earth. But how do they find their way? The sky holds more stories than we will ever know. Nature rewards are relentless. Birds use multiple navigation systems: the sun during the day, the stars at night, and even Earth's magnetic field. Some birds also recognize rivers, mountains, and coastlines, creating a mental map of the world. But the journey is full of danger. Storms can throw them off course. Predators wait along the way, and exhaustion can take its toll. Many birds don't survive the full journey, but those who do carry on the cycle of life. To survive, birds make stopovers, places where they rest, feed, and regain energy. These stops are critical. Without them, migration would be impossible. When birds finally reach their destination, they breed, build nests, and raise the next generation. And when the season changes again, the cycle continues. The Great Migration is more than a journey. It's a story of survival, precision, and incredible endurance. A reminder that even the smallest creatures can achieve the greatest feats. So next time you see a bird flying overhead, remember, it might be on a journey across the world. As the sky begins to quiet, the journey fades, but never truly ends. Across endless horizons, they move with a purpose we can't see. Yet, somehow we can feel. No roads, no boundaries, just instinct guiding them forward. They rise, they fall, they endure, and still they continue. Because in the wild, stopping is not an option. Only those who keep moving become part of something greater. And far above us, beyond what we notice, the journey is already happening. Again. And somewhere above us, right now, a bird is already on its way. In the next 2 minutes, you'll witness life in its purest form. Just sit back and take it all in.